Alright, you guys. First off, I'm gonna start off by wiping my forehead off. I did have wash day today, so I have a lot of oils in my hair. You know, my forehead greasy and whatever. So I do not own alcohol in my house, oddly. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using this Garnier Sensitive or Skin Active cleansing water. So I'm gonna just apply it on a little bit of paper towel here. Next, I'm gonna be taking my hair, and it's this beautiful baby girl right here. I do have wig or hair review coming up soon about the hair that I've been using lately and loving, but I'm not gonna talk about it in this video. I'll have a separate video for that. So anyways, I'm gonna be using this hair. It's already made, cut, all that stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my head. Oh, there you go, you guys. Oh my gosh, I look so stupid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just fix it how I want it to be. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back. Then I'm gonna go take some of my hair clips and clip the hair back. There's nothing more annoying than hair falling forward when you're trying to glue it down. What I'm going to do first is start off by gluing this part of my hair down. And I do glue it over my hairline. I haven't lost any edges from doing this. And I am very careful when I take the hair off. I'm not yanking it off and being impatient. This literally comes off so easy when you use the got-to-be glue. Because all you need is a good amount of water. Like, it just melts it off. So if you're not patient to put water on your hair, then that's probably why you're losing your hair. Next, I'm going to take my got-to-be glue, and I'm going to use that to apply it on my forehead. I'm going to try to lay my edges down while I'm doing this. So, and the reason why I glue the glue on my hair is because I don't have a lot, like I have a big forehead, but not that big to put the hair in front of my hairline. I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. This part, the ear part, is always the trickiest part for me, so let's see if I nail it today. This process does take a while if you want your hair to look natural and beautiful and, you know, not wiggy. You do have to have patience for it. You want to have the dryer settings on cool. So mine is on low right now. And yeah, I know you guys can see like the shine over here. We'll take care of all of that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this clip off, and I'm just going to comb this hair. I like to make sure to comb through it. So, just to be sure the hair didn't gel down, because we don't want that either. Load it so it can get a little bit tacky. This is always an awkward part for me because I literally have to pull on the hair down here so it doesn't get like any bubbles in it. That's not cute. So yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the combing out method here. I'm going to take the glue again. I'm going to apply a good amount. I should probably clip this hair back like I was supposed to. So before I go ahead and do anything else, I am going to tie my hair. Just, yeah, to make sure everything is laying nice. And I'm going to add a little bit more glue here, because this little part over here is trying to give me a headache or whatever. No one has time for that. I have the stocking cap that I cut off of a pantyhose. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to tie it. I'm going to take the hair dryer and just go over it, and then I'll probably leave this head tie on for about, let's see, 5 minutes. Then I'll take it off and start laying my baby hair and stuff like that. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 5 to 7 minutes and I've had this hair tie on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. When taking it off, due to the fact that I did put like fresh glue on, I'm going to be super careful because you can easily rip the hair back up or rip your edges, and I don't want to do neither. Kind of just falling off for me. So I'm gonna take this ponytail off. Using my hairbrush, I'm just gonna brush through the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking one of these clips, putting that in my hair, I think I'm gonna try to use this Girl Snot. I see a lot of people use it to lay their edges. So I'm gonna try it. I'm not a fan of it. It's so messy, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, y'all, this is what it looks like at the end. Unfortunately, this part just it's not need to want to lay down today, so I'm not really sure why, but I'm gonna let it be for that today. It's not even gonna be showing that much. You guys, I don't know if you can tell, you can see like a little bit of that there. I'm obviously like not perfect at it, but just the fact that I don't have to pay the extra money to go to the beauty salon to get my hair done. Plus, we don't have places here that do frontals and stuff like that. So it's just nice that I can do it myself. And it looks good enough for me to walk outside. Let me know if you guys like this. And I think, yeah, I'm gonna braid it right here so you guys can see better too.